Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillify. Tutorial is basically about some advanced or some features about our worksheets. Okay, so let's say right now you can see that I have opened multiple worksheets over here, right? So I have told you that a worksheet is a combination of multiple cells, right? And a workbook is a combination of multiple worksheets. So right now we have opened a lot of worksheets. Now let's say in order to move to the right hand side, you need to click on these three dots to know that is there to get to check like is there any other worksheet is there or not. And to just navigate to the left hand side again, you have to click on these three dots, and it's not just last in just one go. You have to keep clicking on it this way. So let's say what I want is simple. I want to check out the list how many sheets are there. So what I will do is simple, come back to this area and just right click on it. Okay, just right click, and now you can see that these are the number of sheets you have right now opened in your workbook, and you can just select from this. Let's say I want to go to this protecting workbook, and let's say this list of worksheets and all, and just hit on okay. So it will just take you to that particular sheet. So right now we are in the list of worksheets. Okay, now second thing, our main concern is that our data should be protected, our sheets should be protected. So now I have created a small kind of chart kind of thing. Okay, it is kind of map how you can just protect your workbook. So first what we need to do is simple. Let's say I want to just protect this particular workbook right now. Okay, before that I need to check out is it protected or not. Okay, to check out is any sheet is protected or not, what you can do is simple. This is the sheet name, just right click on it and you'll see over here. So it is asking you to unprotect sheet. This means this particular sheet is already protected. Okay, now let's do one thing, move to some other sheet and try to just protect that. So I'm going to this conditional formatting, this one. I want to protect this sheet because I have implemented some conditional formatting on this particular table. I don't want anyone to disturb me or to just make some changes into my data. Now remember that to perform anything which you want to look on your screen, right? Which the things you want to implement. So for that, we need to, right now we've been covering the home tab. For this particular scenario, we have to move to some other tab, that is the review one. So what you have to do is simple. Right now you're in the conditional formatting sheet and come to this review tab. In the review tab, you have this protect group. In the protect group, you have two options as protect sheet or either you want to protect workbook. So protect sheet will only protect this particular sheet which you have opened. Protect workbook will protect the entire like your workbook. In that particular workbook, you will be having multiple worksheets. So all you need to do is both are like the way to do it same is same. So I'm going with this protect sheet. What I'll do is simple. I will just click on this protect sheet. There will be a dialog box in front of you, right? So it is asking you password to unprotect sheet. So basically it is saying like you want to protect your sheet, but provide me a password so that when you want to open the sheet, you can put that password and that sheet will be unprotected. So let's say I'm giving it just a small password. Okay, you can give it some hardcode password also. Then after that, you have these options to select how you want your sheet to be used. So allow all users of this worksheet too. So can they select locked cells or select unlocked cells? I'm just giving them an option to select the rows. I am not allowing them to format my cells, to format my column, even rows, anything. So they cannot do anything with my data, with my table. They can just select it. They can just check this out. Okay. So all you need is just to click on OK. It will again ask you to confirm the password. So I'm giving it that password again, and that's just okay. And that's all. Now you can see that this option, which was protect sheet, is get converted into the unprotect sheet. So see what I can do is see I'm clicking over here, I'm double clicking. When I'm double clicking, it is showing me a warning. The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. I say okay. So I need to first unprotect it. So unprotected to unprotect this particular sheet, you have option is to come to the review tab again. Click on this unprotect sheet. It will ask you for the password. One. Okay, I'm giving it some password and just okay. Hit on okay. And now this sheet is unprotected. So I can just make some change. You can see that I'm able to type something, right? This is the way we can protect or unprotect. Thank you so much. That's all for this lecture.